The life of your car battery depends on how long it can hold a charge and be recharged. Once it can't be recharged, it is dead. Now, there are a number of factors that can affect your car battery, including humidity, temperature, and other environmental factors. So let's assume perfect conditions. No high temperatures, no excessive humidity, no nothing else. Under these conditions, you can probably expect your car or truck battery life to be about 6 years. If you want to average that out though, you can expect your auto battery life to be somewhere between 2 and 5 years. If you live in the northern US, your car battery lifespan will be longer because you're in a cold climate. Warm climates tend to increase damage due to sulfation and water loss. Of course, proper car battery care can greatly enhance your car battery lifespan, and the best way to make sure that your car battery lasts a long time is to make sure that it's always fully charged. That means you should try to not leave your lights on or leave accessories plugged in that could reduce your battery life. Also, make sure that your mechanic checks your battery when you go in for a routine vehicle maintenance. So your battery life then is going to depend on where you live and how well you take care of it. But properly cared for, you should get a number of years out of it, 5 or 6, assuming that you own a gasoline powered or diesel fueled vehicle. If you own a hybrid or electric car, you can expect to get an amazing 8 years of battery life before you have to think about replacing it. When it gets to that point, just contact a professional mechanic to replace that old battery. All right, did I miss anything that you want to add? Please do so in the comment section below. Subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you here next time. I'm Dave Erickson with Everyman Driver. Adios.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.